In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can add your home address to your Google Map on your mobile phone. It's very simple and easy. So in my previous video, I showed you guys how you can save locations like your bars and hotels and motels you visit. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can add your home address to your map. So now let's get going. So on your map interface, just tap on the saved here. So you can see this is for the saved. The sign there, you tap on that, you can see your house here. So you just tap on that to set a home address. So you can use your current location or you can enter your home address. So let me just enter any home address. I don't want to use my current location. So let me just enter something like this. Good, and let me just choose this house. Now let me tap on the save. Good. So you can see that's the place I chose. That's not my house, but then I'm just using it for this tutorial. So yeah, actual and that blah blah. So now I tap on the done here to save it. And it's been saved. Let me come back here and you can see this my house has been changed. You can do same for your workplace. Just tap on that and you're good to go. So in this case, if you visit a place and then you are lost, you can just tap on your home and then you get the directions to your home. Simple as that. And this is for the places you've saved, your lodge, your trips and everything like that. So I think I have a video on that, how you can save locations you visit, restaurants and the rest. You can check that in this video's description. I'm going to drop a link to that video as well. So that's it for the video. Very much simple and easy. If you are new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. And also if you have any question, try to drop that in this video's comment section. I'm going to do all to answer. So that's it once again. Peace.